Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a slime collection, so let's get right on into it. And I have these 5. I'm not going to do these 2 because I already know these are horrible. So yeah, I'll just save the excitement. And then, so this one is, what is this one? It says sunshine, but it's not like yellow at all. And all it is sequins flown in like the tiniest bit. There's more sequins than actual slime in here, so it's really crackly though. So this one, I'm going to be doing a yay or nay, and this one would be a yay. Go away. Sorry guys, my sister was in here. Didn't even know it. She was like sitting over there in the corner by my door. So this one is like a yay, nay. Because it's sticky, but it's like, it has a really good texture. So the next slime I'm going to be doing is this purple one that's called Coral Reef. And I know coral reefs aren't purple, but it's just my version. It's really stretchy. Sometimes it can be rippy. I think this one is a mixture of clear glue and white glue. Because as you can see, I can still see all through it. Don't know if y'all can see me, but I'll guess I'll know once I go out of this. This is fire looking through the window. So this one would be a yay, because this one is stretchy and soft. Makes good swirls, it crackles good. Crackle-lackles. So also give this video a like if you like slime. If you don't like slime, what are you doing here? And then the next one is this like tealy one. It's kind of like this one, just with not as much sequin, but it does. It's basically like a smaller version of that because they're like that part of the sequins had separated from the actual slime, which is this one. That's my mama slime. That's the biggest slime that I had. This one's really good, and if y'all see someone walking in the back, it will be my aunt coming to pick us up. That's why I would have to do like a part 2 to this on tomorrow. Today's Saturday, so I have to do a part 2 on Sunday. I gave the pokes a 10, the stretches a 10, tackles a 10. So overall, this has 30 points. And if y'all haven't already, go make sure to check out my other videos. I think I have a babysitting adventure, or yeah, that's probably what it's called, I don't remember. BFF tag, best friend tag or whatever. And then try not to sing, which I clearly lost because my sister didn't sing, and that was last week and I filmed that. And sorry because I haven't been posting as much, I just haven't had the time to do it. And I've been busy with school and family. Ooh, that one's hard. Oh, is this? Okay guys, so the weird thing about this slime was it had pink sequins. I can never say that right. Sequins. And it was a pink sequin. And the weird thing about it is over time, that's a sequin I'm holding. It turned clear. It was pink. It never turned like the slime a different color or anything. But yeah, this one's a butter. I used Daiso on this one. This one's really soft and like airy. as you know, butter slimes do not make that much of a clicky noise. But otherwise, it's an awesome slime. Looking through my window. If you haven't already, also go check out my Musical.ly. It's Kona_Kaya, Kona_Kaya, and I think this one is the bad one. Yeah, because look how hard it is to push my fingers. Well, there goes all the foam that was in it. This one was called Fairy Dust, but it was a really good slime, but it's like this. Foam going over. So this one may be a nay. Like, it smells like deodorant. Ugh, I hate the smell of deodorant too, so. And then we have another butter. I've been getting better at my butters. And that green one I just showed you was like the very first made. Sorry guys, I dropped the lid out. And as you can see, it's like really thick. It's not like just coming off my fingers or anything. It's like a mauve-y purple, and if I don't know what mauve is, it's basically a pinkish brown, but this one has like purple mixed into it. And I added activator to it earlier because like it wouldn't stop sticking to my hand, so it's probably really hard now. So comment down below if you like this one. This one is called Shelby Slime because, you know, just, you know. It's really nice and it's like airy, except whenever you try to pull it really hard. So this one I give a yay. This is like one of my favorites. I only have 3 more left, guys. I have these 2. Well, actually I have 4, 5 left. This one may be sticky. I love listening to it. So, I don't know if I could hear that or not, but it was like the sizzliness on top. This one's a glossy. Made it with baby oil, and I think it's also like a jiggly. Kind of. Some of these slimes, I don't know where they came from. Some of them do. That's why I've been giving them like a clear explanation on what they are, because some of them my sister made, some of them I made. You know, blah, 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 blah. Clickiness is good. Stretchiness is a 9-ish. Crackles, not the best, but love them. But overall, I will give this slime a yay. And I already know this popcorn one coming up is the yellow one. I already know it's not going to be good. I cannot get that lid on. See, foam. Loose beads, and I had put an activator in this. I love the smell. I mean, like that noise whenever you do that. So this video is already getting really long. It's almost 9 minutes. I'm trying to hurry along because I also have this big one and another big one, and then like a medium size. Ooh, this is my iceberg, but it's actually not good.